Hey students, how's it going? It's Mr. Selby. I'm just gonna minimize that for a second. All right, so I'm gonna go really quick over some proofs and how to complete them. All right, so for some proofs, you're normally given a given like 4x equals 2 times x plus 8, and you're told to prove something. So prove x equals 8 given this statement. So 4x equals 2 times x plus 8. You're given that. That's the reason. So you know that's the same thing as 4x equals 2x plus 16 because of the distributive property. You distribute 2 in, so 2 times x equals 2x, 2 times 8 equals 16. So 4x equals 2x plus 16, distributive property. Then you use the subtraction property. You're going to subtract 2x from both sides. 4x minus 2x is going to be 2x. 2x minus 2x is 0. And drop down your 16. That's the subtraction property. Whatever you subtract from one side, you subtract from both sides, and the differences will both be equal on both sides. And then the division property. If you divide both sides by 2, both sides will remain equal. 2x divided by 2 is x, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So x equals 8, and that's how we're able to prove that. All right, next one here. So we are given, oh, my goodness. I got these numbers. It looks like I got these numbers a little bit backwards here. But you know what? It is actually equal the way I wrote it. So 2x plus 1 equals 3x minus 4. Yep, that is the way it's written in there. But yeah, so if you do the distributive property, you do 2 times x plus 1 equals 2x plus 2. That's a mistake there. And 3 times x minus 4 is 3x minus 12. All right. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add 12 to both sides. That would give us 2x plus 14, because 2 plus 12 is 14, equals 3x just by itself, because minus 12 here, add 12, you're going to be left with nothing, which is 3x, okay? And that is the subtraction property of equality. We'll just say subtraction property. And so we've got 2x plus 14 equals 3x. And actually, I'm sorry, that was addition, because we added 12 to both sides. Addition. And then what we're going to do now is subtract. And we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So we'll be left with 14 over here equals x. All right, because 2x minus 2x is nothing, just 14 is left. 3x minus 2x is going to be x, so 14 equals x, and that is going to be the subtraction property. And we do not need this box. By row. So, and then we can switch it around using the symmetric property. 14 equals x, the same thing as x equals 14. So, yep. All right, on to the next one here. So this one's kind of feisty here. We've got 7x minus 14 in parentheses divided by 3. And we've got that equals to x plus 16. And we've got to prove that x equals 13. So the first thing that I would do here is I would multiply by 3 on both sides. All right. So that would give us, that would get rid of our parentheses, because we'd have 7x minus 4 equals, we'd have to do 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 16, which would be 48. All right. And that is the multiplication property. Whatever you multiply one side of an equation to, you multiply the other side, and they remain equal. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do even a little bit of addition here and add 4 to both sides. So I'm going to be left with 7x on one side equals 3x plus 52. All right. And so that's addition. And then I'm going to do the exact opposite. I'm going to do a little subtraction. And I'm going to get 4x equals 52 by subtracting 3x from both sides. So a little subtraction there. And now, unfortunately, I've run out of room. So let me just insert another one right there. I'm going to divide both sides. Oh, actually, I don't need that one. I can just delete it. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And this is not substitution. This is actually division. All right, and x equals 13, and that's how you prove it. All right, so I hope this helps on any upcoming proof worksheets. If you have any questions or anything, please reach out. You can message me on Schoology, you can come to office hours, or you can email me directly. If you have any trouble with this, please let me know so we can work on it together. Hope everything's going well. Hope you guys are staying happy, healthy, hydrated, and safe. And hopefully I will see you guys soon. All right. Have a great day, guys.